CHINNU TV.
Names of reptiles and cruising animals. Snake, a long animal with no legs that slides on the ground. Some snakes can bite with poison. Lizard. Lizard is a small animal with 4 legs and a long tail. Lizards like to sit in the sun. Crocodile. Crocodile is a big animal that lives in water and has strong jaws. It can swim fast and catch animals. Turtle, an animal with a hard shell on its back. It walks slowly and some lives in water. Chameleon, a lizard that can change its color. It has eyes that moves in different directions. King cobra, a long dangerous snake with poison. It can raise its head and spread its neck. Sea turtle, a turtle that lives in ocean. It swims with big flippers and lays eggs on land. Frog. Frog is a small animal that jumps and lives near water. It makes a croaking sound. Snail. Snail is a small animal with a round shell on its back. It leaves a slimy trail as it moves. Earthworm. Earthworm is a soft long worm that lives in soil. It helps keep the soil healthy. Leech. Leech is a small animal that can stick to skin and drink blood. Some are used by doctors. Slug. Slug is a soft, slow animal like a snail but without a shell. It likes damp places. Termite. Termite is a teeny insect that eats wood. It lives in large groups called colonies. Crab. Crab is a sea animal with hard shell. It walks sideways on the sand. Komodo dragon, the biggest lizard in the world. It has sharp teeth and can hunt big animals. Python, a big snake that is not poisonous. It squeezes animals to catch them. Scorpion, a small animal with a stinger on its tail. It uses its claws to catch food. Spider. The spider is a small animal with 8 legs that makes webs. It catches insects to eat. Alligator. Alligator is a large animal like a crocodile with a wide mouth. It lives in water and on land.